திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். போற்றியோம் நம சிவாய. Good morning to all. Good morning, Pushpa.
Good morning, Swamiji.
போற்றியோம் நம சிவாய. எல்லாமுடையான் குருவாகி இங்கே யமதே அல்லல்லறுத்தான் என்றுந்தீவரன் அவன் தாழ் தொழுவாம் என்றுந்தீவரன். The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, soul, and purifies them. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, soul, and purifies them. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul, and purifies them. We are getting blessings from our parents and gurus. Salutations to father and mother. Salutations to all gurus. We are chanting Omkar. First, giving long stress to O. O. Equal timing. O. Less to O. Om. Omitting O. Omitting the sound also, there exists absolute silence in this calm stage of silence. We could feel the pranava energy spreading all over the body by breathing out. Now we are cleaning the spinal cord. Close the left nose. Inhale from the bottom of the spinal cord to the top of the head. Close the right nose. Exhale and coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. We are inhaling with absolute silence, going up to the top of the head. Closing the left nose, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From the bottom of the spinal cord, we are inhaling and going to the top of the head with absolute silence, the pranava energy. on the top of the head. We are visualizing a small Sivalingam, very smaller than the Sivalingam in our Chidambaram on Gurudev Samadhi. We are inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence, concentrating on the Sivalingam. In India, tomorrow, we are celebrating Diwali. Diwali is not only the function by lighting the crackers, but also it is also having the impact on this day. There is a myth. Lord Krishna destroyed one evil called Naragasuran. Naragasuran, according to the Purana, he is a evil demon. But according to the philosophy, Narakasuran means those who are limiting themselves with a small circle. Nara Akam. Nara means our body. We limited or we are only thinking of our body and our selfishness. Lord Krishna destroyed him. That means they destroyed the evil things. There are some evil things within us. We should also have to destroy them. It is not possible to destroy them fully, and we will convert the thing into good way. Now we are going to think of them. First one is called Perasai, anxiety. Whatever the things we come across in our life, we want to possess them. This is what we call anxiety. We are on the way to wisdom. Instead of thinking all the materials in the world are belonging to me, we are converting the anxiety into inner fullness. That means whatever we are having, that is enough, the satisfaction. We are think of our anxieties and convert them for enoughfulness, satisfaction. Now onwards, by the grace of God, we will shorten the demands, the requirements, and try to live a simple way of life with what God has given us. We think of the God, ask Him to forgive us for the deeds or activities because of the anxiety, and request Him to give full satisfied mind with what we are having. Concentrating on the top of the head, the Shivalingam, we are inhaling and exhaling for that satisfactory mind. Next, we are think of the elimination of anger. Anger is the evolution from the anxiety. Whenever our anxiety is huddled or stopped, at the time anger arose within us. Because of the anger, we suffered a lot, and we also make others to suffer more and more. We know the evil of the anger. Now onwards, we appeal to the Almighty to avoid anger and neutralize the anger. We will develop the sense of tolerance. The anger come especially on our close family members and friends. We are also disturbing them and disturbing ourselves. By the grace of Almighty, we think of neutralization of our anger. Always we will develop the quality of tolerance. Next comes miserliness. We are gathering more and more wealth, materials, as much as possible, either by way of our hard work or by way of our hereditary. But at the same time, our mind will not let us to give others Always it wants to keep it with us without giving to others. Now onwards, we can pray to the Almighty. The miserliness will not be useful for us. One day or other, we may be no more for utilizing this wealth. We should keep the wealth for some extent. Others remaining wealth should be contributed to others by the grace of Almighty. In the miserliness may be converted into philanthropic mind. We ourselves surrender to the God. It is the God's gift to us. We will develop the character of giving to others by the grace of Almighty. These characters should also be converted into a good habit. Next one comes called lust. Whenever the anxiety come on the opposite gender, we become worst in that character. We can appeal to the Almighty. Always the bad character lust should be suppressed and it should be converted as chastity. Whoever we are seeing, we should develop the habit of seeing them as our brothers and sisters. We will make more and more thoughts to live a chaste way of life. Next one comes the superior and inferior complex because of our form of our body, or wealth, or knowledge. We think that we are the supreme one, or sometimes we are thinking that we are the inferior one. Both the thinking are not good. Whatever we got from the Almighty is given by the Almighty with a reason. Knowing that, getting enlightenment, and now onwards, we should not discriminate anybody, either by caste, color, creed, race, or religion. All are the children of the God, and we will develop the sense of universal brotherhood. We are all here to live happily. We should not find fault with others. Instead, try to find fault which are existing within us. While we are seeing that, we become equal to everybody. We can pray for the equality within us and around us. Whenever the anxiety cannot be exposed at the time, it is kept in our mind, just like a fireball is being kept inside the house. One day or other, it will fire. Just like that, whenever the anxiety is kept within us, it is called vengeance. We are expecting time to revenge on them and punish them. That too also a bad character. Whenever a bad thing is within us, it always giving trouble and disturbance to us. Just like that, the bad thought will also giving unnecessary disturbance to us. For that, whatever may be the action or thing done by others, we try to forgive them. Even if they are our enemies, we appeal to the God. Oh God, please kindly forgive them. Give me the character of forgiveness. And another one, the hard words that will also harmful to us and others. Now onwards, we will appeal to the Almighty for soft words, nice words, sweet words. We will now onwards exchange the sweet words, good words, fruitful words with others. We are also appealing to the Almighty to eliminate this bad character and convert it into good character. On this occasion, we are in the form of Naraka. That's why we are having anxiety, anger, miserliness, lust, superior inferior complex, vengeance, using bad words, and more bad characters. Now, in the chakra of Krishna, that is what we call the knowledge, the wisdom is penetrating into us and crushing all the bad characters within us. And now onwards, new seeds like satisfying mind, tolerance, chastity, philanthropic mind, equality, forgiveness, sweet words, all are the things to be developed within us on this occasion of Deepavali, we should also, by the grace of Almighty, try to eliminate all the bad things within us, and we will grow, develop the good characters, good things within us. This is what the message given on the occasion of Deepavali. Now we fully enlightened about the celebration of Deepavali. Now onwards, we will celebrate Deepavali, making more and more good habits, good thoughts, good deeds, and do good to others. In this calm stage of our mind, by the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, and peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities in the life. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities in our life. We can think of our family members. They are also being blessed with all the prosperities. We think of the friends and relatives. They are also being blessed by the Almighty. We think of the persons, those who are closely related to our day-to-day activities. They are also being blessed by the Almighty. Even we are thinking of the person, those who are disturbing us, and try to make us as their enemy. We are also praying for them for all the prosperities in their life. We are also thinking of the whole world, all the human beings, all the living beings, all are being purified by the divine bliss, blessed by the Almighty, and they are gifted with all the prosperities in their world. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி, காவாய் கனகத்திரளே போற்றி, கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி. We will raise our hands on the top of the head, slightly rub it and apply it on the eyes, and feel the energy and spread it all over the body. And we are finishing by seeing the right palm. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Pushparayan. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Anna Maria, be blessed. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Kali Karan Barel, be blessed. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Hope Mal, be blessed. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Deborah Samson, be blessed. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Ganesh, be blessed. Pothi Om Namah Shivaya. Geeta Brown, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Hemasha, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Jeff Kamen, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Kali Karan Baral, Potriyom Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Sundari, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Kumari, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Madaji, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Kamala Stele, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Sreen Louis Shroda, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Reverend Shankar Fern, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Sumadi, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Steve Goodspeed, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Swami Sardananda, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Reverend Devaja, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Jai Rayan, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Jayasri Niels, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Karuna, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Satya, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Sivakumar, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Vijay, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Jack Parker, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Richard Greenstone, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Vishal Sopana, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Geeta Brown, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Ravi Muthuswamy, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Sanadani, be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya to all. Again, I convey my heartful wishes for happy Diwali. Thank you to everybody. Potriyom Namah Shivaya, Pushpa.
Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Swamiji,
Yes?
you missed Hope Mill.
No,
Hope.
I told anyhow, Hope Mel, be blessed.
Okay.
Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Okay.